Hey dudes and chicks, and neither if those rules don't apply to you. Welcome to Makeup for Lost Time. My name is Katie. Today I'm going to be doing a Pop This Palette's Cherry with the P Louise Love Tapes palette. It looks like this. It's super extra, and it actually came with a broken highlighter, so it traveled all the way from the UK, but this is what the color story looks like. It was actually their Valentine's Day release, and I didn't get it until a little bit later. I also wanted to talk about kind of my P Louise haul from the sale that they just had, that huge sale, and just kind of talk about the brand and talk about some of the products that I have. So if you're interested in finding out more about P Louise Makeup Academy and learning more about brands that aren't located in the United States, then, or if you're curious to see how I got this look and what I think about this palette, then just hang out a minute. So yeah, I kind of wanted to talk about P Louise, the brand. I'm going to say a couple things right off the bat that I love the brand P Louise. I have said in my palette collection, I aspire to get more P Louise products. The thing about P Louise is they're really cutting edge. The P Louise base eyeshadow primer has really kind of taken the world by storm. Basically, so many creators are using P Louise base. It really just rocked this whole world. And so to my knowledge, that's where they got their start. And I don't know why I say they, because it's actually a woman and she's a makeup artist and an educator. And if you go to the P Louise website, you can actually order online classes by P Louise, and I have taken some of their free classes, and they have a free class in their content that includes makeup lesson by Stacey Marie MUA. Like, she's one of my favorite makeup artists in the world. I just wanted to talk about, they have made the Acid Rain mattifying base. So basically, like, it's a cut crease base that dries matte, and so you don't have to add any color to it. It basically is your cut crease and it looks like a shadow. Just learning the learning curve of how to use those products I actually haven't even broached the subject yet. I'm really just starting to nail my cut creases and take more risks. So as a creator, I'm really just starting to be able to show you guys about the things like getting vulnerable, like the things that I'm not that good at, and doing that with you guys, and you guys get to see the mistakes that I make and see my learning process. And so that has been just being able to get on camera was like a first, and now being able to get on camera and show you guys the things that I stink at has been kind of not, I wasn't excited to do that, right? But I believe that as an artist, I have grown a lot by starting to take risks in front of you guys. And so that has been a thing for me. Anyway, I digress. I just ordered a couple things from their sale. And one of the things I wanted to say about that sale is their internet, they broke the internet. There was literally 30, 40, 50,000, at least 50,000 people that purchased from that sale, because they ran it. They were only supposed to run it for 2 hours, and there was 13,000. Remember, I discussed it in one of my previous videos. There was 13,000 people in line ahead of me because they had a 40% off sale off everything on the P Louise website. And so not only did they honor the sale, they extended it for about 5 more days. The sale ran for 5 days total, and it was only supposed to run for 2 days. I ordered a couple things from the sale because I thought that the things that I wanted to order were not going to be on sale because they were already running a special on them. So I wasn't even going to shop the sale, but when I saw how many people were on there, I was just curious. I got curious and I wanted to get in line. So I jumped on the internet, I waited it out. I'm a fucking makeup nerd. I love that kind of shit. I like being a part of that kind of stuff. So anyways, I got online. I wanted to show you guys my haul that I got from P Louise. It's not exactly a haul, but I just wanted to talk about the brand in general. So there's a couple things. I ordered there was a deal going with the brush set and the Acid Rain base in blank canvas. You could order any one base. And I honestly was overwhelmed, so I didn't choose. I just got the blank canvas, which is the flesh colored. Anyway, so I ordered the brush set with the blank canvas because they had a deal running already that you could order one item from the Acid Rain collection with this brush set. And as you guys saw in my previous video, my cut crease game it was lame, and it was good. My cut crease was good. I was super proud of it, but I realized like right then and there that I needed some different brushes. And so I figure since P Louise has the cut crease products, they're like, she's the queen of cut crease products. She has the base, she has colored bases, and then she came out with these acid rain bases that dry matte, and they have a brush set that goes with it, and I knew I needed it. And so this is the brush set. I just used this brush for this look, so it's dirty, but they come with a liner brush, a cut crease brush, and an angled brush, and they're in these cute colors. And basically this is literally the best cut crease brush I've ever fucking used. It's perfect, just the way that it's shaped both ways, and it's like very thin. Once you get the base on there, it's very thin. Anyways, I am showing you this set that I already used because I wanted you guys to see the packaging that this shit comes in. So this is what the packaging that the brushes come in. It's like this cute paintbrush, and I don't know if you guys can see the details, but look at the details on it. It's just fucking adorable. I don't even want to get rid of it. So I don't know exactly what happened, if I accidentally like ordered a bundle or what the deal was, but they actually sent me an extra set of brushes. And so this is the other brush set that they sent me, and I think they just sent it to me for free. And then I got this brush set. I also finally got one of the colored base sets. They were out of the other one, otherwise I probably would have ordered that too, but this was all on sale for 40% off. And these products are actually affordable anyway. They're not outrageously priced, I don't think. So I got the basic winter edition of colored bases, not the mattifying ones. And so this is one of the colors, and I actually use this in this look. So this is Winter Rose, but look at this packaging. Watch this. Aww. And then you open the wings, and you open the flaps, and there's the set, and there's this cool little letter on it. Now, I'm not one for packaging. I don't give a fuck about packaging. In fact, it pisses me off when I buy things for packaging, and then it ends up being shithole or whatever. But I just thought this packaging was really above and beyond. And P Louise is kind of like, that's her thing. Her packaging on her products is above and beyond. I showed you guys both the palettes from P Louise that I have, the Secret Sinner palette and the Love Tapes palette. They're both in these huge bougie packages that are like totally amazing. So I wanted to show you guys the packaging, and then I also wanted to say, like, they killed it on this sale. So here's the thing. I ordered like a couple lip glosses from Lime Crime like 2-3 weeks ago, and I ordered this like a week later, and this haul, this little mini haul that I got from their sale, I literally got it in like 5 days. It came a week before my Lime Crime stuff did. And I just thought, dude, they just sold 40 or 50, they made like 50,000 sales or some shit like that. And they got this to me faster than my Lime Crime order. Like, what the fuck? From the UK. Like, it came so quick. And I was like, man, as I've said, I want to promote brands that kill it, like with integrity. And like, they sent me a free brush set, and like, and they're like the cutting edge. They have all these cutting edge products like these colored bases, so that you don't have to put anything over the top of them. I did. But the other thing is, when I got this package broken, I emailed them and I said, here's the deal. I want to review this palette, and I've been waiting for weeks for it. This palette, the regular orders take a really long time to get. I like have had to wait like probably like 5 weeks. And I got this a while ago, but I just haven't had an opportunity to get on here and use it because I've had so many other things that I wanted to film. But I emailed them and I was like, I don't really want to wait for another palette. But one of the highlighters in here is broken, and it kind of made the palette super messy, and I want to review it, and it kind of looks like there's sparkle all over everything, and it just kind of messed everything up. And so they emailed me back and they were like, well, we can replace the highlighter. So they did send me a replacement highlighter for the one that broke. So I got that like this, and I don't actually know if I can get in there and pull that out, but they did send me a replacement highlighter, and they also sent me this highlighter in Glow For Me Baby, and it looks like this, and it's super pink. I'm wearing it today, and it's actually really unique to my highlighter collection. And as you guys know, I've been trying to build my highlighter collection. So yeah, they totally sent me a free product, and they sent that, and they just made good on it. And so I really wanted to get on here and show you guys all the cool different things that P Louise makes that kind of are game changers for makeup artists. And so whether you consider yourself just a makeup enthusiast or whether you're a makeup artist, if you're in the United States, you may or may not have heard of all the things that P Louise has. And although it does take a long time to get it, and you have to do the conversion rates from pounds to dollars, which it's always more expensive in dollars, or the conversions are more expensive in dollars more. And so when you look at something and it says it's 10 pounds, it's actually like $13, which, or some shit. I don't know what the conversion is. But anyway, I just wanted to talk a little bit about the things that I got from them and how well they've treated me, and just kind of get the name out there. I know a lot of my actual friends who watch this channel have been curious about P Louise, and so I wanted to do this now. So I'm going to do a look for you guys, and this is the look. And if you guys want to see how I got it, then here we go. We're going to get into it. Let's get into the tutorial and take this palette's virginity. If you guys want to watch. Okay, I'm gonna put pictures of the palette as I'm choosing the colors in the description, or up here somewhere. Not a lot of room. This palette is super gigantic, and I have a broken highlighter in here, so I don't want to keep tipping it up and tipping it up. I'm going to start with the color Taste, and with my Sigma M330, I'm going to start packing this in the outer V and then dragging it through my crease. I'm gonna boom my mirror in a little closer, and I'm gonna move you guys in a little closer. My friend just commented on my video this morning and was like, dude, I love how close you are, 'cause I'm fucking blind. So then I'm gonna use my Sigma E45, and I'm gonna go into the color Smooch. This is a more orangey red. And then I'm going to use my ABH dual-ended brush, and I'm going to go into the color Urge. And I'm just using this to blend out that red. I really like this brush. I'm only using it because all of my brushes are filthy with blues and greens, and I knew for a fact if I used a dirty brush I was gonna fucking screw this up. So I'm using brushes that I wouldn't normally use, and as much as I am displeased with those first two brushes because they're too big for my eye space, I'm really happy with this, and that blend is fantastic. Am I onto something here? I never liked these because they're too scratchy, but they're really a good worker brush, and they really push that color. Plus P Louise shadows blend like a dream. They're just bomb. Okay, going back in with that first brush, I'm going to go back into the color Taste with just a little bit more product and just really get that. If you guys recall from my Fornicate videos during the Valentine's Day season, I really wanted to do a really good pink and red look, and when I looked in my collection, I didn't really have anything that was like satisfactory for me. I'm going to use a Voldemorphe M506, and I'm going to go back into that color Smooch and give it a little sandwich action. And then back in with the ABH dual-ended brush. I love that. I'm going to use pencil brush, the Voldemorphe JH39, and I'm going to go into the color Taste, and I'm going to run that along my lower lid. Oh my gosh. I love this red. Good Lord. Oh my word. I'm going into the color Smooch with a flat-ish shader brush. And then back in with the ABH dual-ended brush, I'm gonna blow that out. Man, I've been doing looks that have been making me so happy lately. Okay, I'm going back in with this Morphe M330, and I'm just gonna go back into the color Taste and just reinforce that. So I'm going in with the P Louise cut crease brush from the Acid Rain brush collection, and I'm using my P Louise Basic from the winter edition. It's in the color Winter Rose, and I'm just gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna go back into Smooch. Just gonna let this dry. I'm gonna use a P Louise highlighter in the color Glow For Me to go over the top of my cut crease, and I'm using my Zoeva 234. And then with my Bold Morphe M506, I'm going back into the color Smooch, and I'm just gonna blend this together in the backside here. So I can get rid of that harsh line there, which I almost have it. And then I will use my Kaleidos pencil brush, and I'm gonna use that highlighter, and I'm just gonna go along the lower lid, just the tiniest little bit. And then back in with that other pencil brush, and I'm just going to blend this in. And then I'm going to use Once Upon a Time, the highlighter that's in this, and I'm going to use that for my inner corner highlight with my Kaleidos pencil brush. And then along my brow bone. And just dabbing that with my finger to blend it together. Okay, I think that's it. I'm gonna go do my waterline, my lashes, my lips, and I'll be back when I'm finished. So this is the final look. I used my ColourPop Cream Gel Eyeliner in the color Venus. I used my Urban Decay Hi-Fi Lip Shine in the color Bang on my lips. I normally would add a little bit of color in the outer V to deepen the crease, but it actually is really reminiscent of some research that I've been doing for a video that I'm getting ready to do. And it actually is like reminiscent of these images that I've been finding of like geisha samurai. These images are pretty impactful, and I think that this look is very reminiscent of that. So anyways, I feel super cute and badass and light and airy, and I think this look turned out really great. And I just wanted to really use P Louise products for you guys, because I think that a lot of people don't know that much about P Louise, and P Louise is really cutting edge. They are constantly coming out with products that nobody else really has, and they really come out with products that are good for creators, like makeup creators. And so I think that more people should know about them, more people in the States. And honestly, like, they're just a great brand. They have great products, and they're really, like, a lot of the stuff that they have is really different than what other people have. So anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you like this look. Let me know in the comments if you're more curious about more stuff by P Louise. I have a kind of a lot of stuff by P Louise, and I just really want to promote this brand. I just think they're awesome. You can also follow me on Instagram. I've been actually doing polls of what looks you guys want me to do on my Instagram page. You can follow me at Makeup for Last Time, spelled the exact same way. You guys could have been anywhere right now, but you were spending your time here with me, and I really appreciate you. Later.